Hbar at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after an aggressive bounce from the lows we made on the 7th of April to the highs we made above the 0.22924. And on today's update video, I will be discussing Fibonacci key areas of supports that you need to continue holding above on the daily chart. And above all, take a look at the 4-hour chart, discussing a 5-wave structure that I'm observing over here. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, where I just said that I have been observing these bounce and these retracement over here. And on this pullback over here, I have been expecting to see whether Hbar is going to continue holding within Fibonacci key areas of support. And the area that I have been paying attention to is between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8. And that is after pulling the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 7th of April to the highs we made above the 0.22924. And the area that I have been paying attention to as support lies between the 0.177 and the 0.14714. And I can mark that target area here on the chart. And this area has now been fully maximized, and now I'm expecting to see a reaction of this target area starting another bounce to the upper side. That is basically giving us a reversal to the upper side, giving us a break above significant highs and significant key areas of resistances. And in that push to the upper side, we should easily see a break above the 0.25. But if by any chance we continue seeing this selling pressure over here, then it is most likely that we are going to lose the Fib level 0.78 that lies above the 0.14714, flipping that key area back into resistance here on the daily chart. And the moment that plays out, then we should expect further breakdown moves into support on the Fib level 0.88 that lies above the 0.13732. And if by any chance we don't bounce on that last line of support, then I will expect a total reset of this chart, giving us a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days. That is all that I'm expecting here on the daily chart. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside over here from the highs we made above the 0.22897. Where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave, another drop in the formation of that wave 3, a wave 4, and I believe that whatever is unfolding over here is the final phase of that 5-wave structure in the formation of that wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the high of that first wave to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that wave 3. And also doing the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the Fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.12827, and that is an area that Hbar can easily maximize in the next coming hours. So that is my next breakdown target area in case we don't see a reaction of these area that I gave you here on the daily chart. And that is all that I'm expecting here on the Hbar chart on the short term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.